to my channel. So me have been over because this child decided to hold on to my foot. So today we're here at the Morant Point Lighthouse. That's where we're exploring today. I've been here a couple times before, but my friend Lily hasn't been. No, why? Say hi to the vlog, Sky. Hi. So yeah, my friend Lily, I took her here today. So hey Lily. But yeah, we're here to show you guys the Morant Point Lighthouse. So stay tuned. You okay? So yeah, this is one of my favorite places to visit in Jamaica, to be honest, because of the scenery. It's just so beautiful. When you're at the top of the lighthouse and you look down at the water, it's just magical. It just reminds me of an acrylic painting, and I love paintings, and to see something so surreal right in front of your eyes, I just really love it. So yeah, I would recommend anybody to come to the lighthouse. Like, it's free. All you have to do is just be considerate, and you know, it's an historic site and we still have to maintain it. So when you come, you just don't litter the place, and you just give a little donation to the lighthouse keeper, because he's out here alone. You know, and I just think that's just so reasonable. But I just love this, like. So definitely put this on your list of places to visit in Jamaica. You will not be disappointed. And don't be scared on the journey, like, because it's quite a ride. And to get here, all you have to do is just, from wherever you are in Jamaica, put in Morant Bay Lighthouse in Google Maps, and it will lead you straight. Hey Carol, you coming up? Yeah, just put in your Google Maps Morant Point Lighthouse, and it will lead you straight to the lighthouse. There are two ways to get here, but whichever one that Google gives you will lead you straight here. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can put the lighthouse keeper's number down in the description box below, so just in case if you're going to visit, you can give him a call to make sure that he's there, because I would not like for you guys to drive all that way just to find out that it's not there or it's closed, because that would not be cool. So yeah, yeah, so I'm just gonna enjoy this view a little bit more, and then we're probably gonna head to Portland. Whew, it's hot.